Hello, my name is Sushima, and I haven't done a video in a while. It's been a whole lot of things going on in our lives, but I wanted to do a sort of inspirational video for you for a very quick saute. So if you ever have a whole bunch of vegetable dribs and drabs, ends of vegetables, and you don't know what to do with them, make a saute. A vegetable saute is wonderful, rich, diverse, and you never know what kind of taste you're gonna get from it. This one, and I'm gonna turn the camera around and show to you what this one is. It is a saute of carrots, sunchoke, Jerusalem artichokes, fennel, onion, garlic, a whole bunch of spices from my masala tin. So this is a good way to get your turmeric in, a little bit of cayenne in, a little bit of cumin in. Just go all out. I use a fat called Ghee, and I'm hoping everyone, and especially people who subscribe to my butter share, make their own ghee. This is how rich and beautiful it is. Look at the fat-soluble vitamins in this ghee. So I have in this medley, it's not just vegetables, a whole bunch of ghee, and I'm going to add to that at the very end a pile of cheese. I have run out of eggs, and so I'm just going to make a cheese layer on top, a cheese crust on top, and I'm going to broil it in that oven that you see there. And so this is everything left over. Another comment I wanted to make on this was we accidentally left a lot of these vegetables in their plastic bags, and this is what those plastic bags look like. What you want to do when you get vegetables from the store is take your old cotton shirts, rip them up, and put your vegetables in a moist piece of cotton, and they will last forever. They'll maintain their life force, and they'll taste a whole lot better. So these are the carrots and the radish. I think this is the broccoli that I just wrapped up. This is the fennels that I just wrapped up, and these are the tails of the parsnips that I just wrapped up. On top of this, after it's done, I'm gonna add an avocado. So avocado plus some salad-style vegetables on top of this medley after it's done. So now, and I added some hot spice to it, a little bit of garam masala, a little bit of coriander seed to it. As you will notice, these chokes, you see these chokes need to be really well done. So I'm gonna do this for a little bit longer. I have some African salt, which I wanted to show to you. This African salt is just wonderful. Here's the African salt. So I'm gonna add this salt into this medley. And it's going to be delicious. And this is going to be my brunch today before I start doing chores for the rest of the day. And it'll keep me filled for several hours. It doesn't have an animal protein in the sense of a meat, but that's okay because I've run out, and we've run out of eggs as well. But this is something you can do literally in 5 minutes and have it taste really, really good. And the sunchokes, even if they're a little bit raw, taste pretty good because they're crisp. So you have here a lot of inulin, fiber that your gut bacteria love in these chokes. You have carrots with beta-carotene in them. You have onions and garlic, which is very good for respiratory disease in winter, to keep the flus and coughs and colds at bay. You have garlic here, which is a powerful antibiotic. And there's turmeric in this, which makes it all very, very delicious, anti-inflammatory, digestive, and very digestible. It's very, very digestible. Okay, so now to this, I'm gonna add some cheese. There's some cheese. I am going to add to this some tomato, which is going to sit on top of the iron griddle because it should not touch metal really. But I happen to have it and I wanted to make myself a medley. So this is a tomato that goes on top. And you can use your imagination to do what you want. I'm going to broil it on the lower broil setting for about 5 minutes. I'll layer on avocados, or I'll do avocados and radishes separately as a condiment, and I will post a picture in the comments once it is all done. So here's happy cooking to you. So long as you cook from scratch, even if it is odds and ends, bits of meat, bits of vegetables, bits of spices, you will do well in your health. So I encourage you, especially youngsters, to cook with your hands, taste it, add, subtract spices to your taste. There's a great deal of joy in doing cooking in this fashion. You don't have to rely on a recipe, you just rely on your taste. And let your intuition come forth. Once your intuition comes through, you will know what you love and what you don't. And you'll find that you just don't feel like eating in restaurants anymore. You don't feel like eating in restaurants anymore because the quality of the food that you eat is so good and it tastes so awesome. So, this week or the next week, make a point of cooking your own odd bits for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, and inviting someone over with whom you can share your good food. One of the things I hear about a lot is at parties, people who are very organically oriented, people who use high quality ingredients versus people who use trans fatty acids to make their cakes. And there's this grumbling, oh, how can I go to these parties and have good quality food? Well, find out who your friends are, how they cook, and have your parties or dinner parties with people who will bring along very high quality foods. When I go to a Weston A. Price potluck, I'm assured of a 5-star meal. It is better than any 5-star Michelin rated restaurant because it's made from such awesome ingredients. It has such wonderful fats. The fragrance and the aroma of the foods just comes and makes you want to eat that food. So happy cooking to you, and I hope you're inspired to put a couple of vegetables, a couple of meats, and some fats together and make yourself a vegetable medley on this cold winter day. Thank you.